Hello everyone, my name is Coach Ronald. I'm from Content Creating Coaching. We are here to teach you how to do your video editing. I'm going to show you how to edit your video by using the apps called Clipchamp. First of all, you go to Google and you type Clipchamp online, then you can log in and try for free. You can sign up or log in your account. Once you sign up and log in your account already, then this is the first page that you can see. So you go for right upper column, there's a click, create a video. You just create your video. Then from your left hand side, you can see function tools. On the left hand side, you have your video, record, templates, music, stock video, stock images, text, brand kit, graphics, and filter and transitions. So how to import your video clicks. So first of all, you can go to your window Dropbox design that you already done. Then you drop your by dragging all the pictures or slides into the library. So you can see from here, this is your slides. To teach you how to drag all the things into one, so we do by dragging all the information or slide one by one into the track. So you can see from here, this is the track 1, track 2, and so on. First slide into slide 1, then the dialog box into track 2, and another dialog box for track 3, and go for track 4. So I already done the track 1, track 2, track 3, track 4, track 5. So I have track 5 track in my video. Of course, you can create as many as track that you want. To how to crop your video. So very simple to crop your video. You just press here and you can do shorten or lengthen. You want to be shorten your click or lengthen your click by just see the double arrow here. You can control in and out. That's how you crop your clips. Overlaying, we are putting all the different clips into different layer. So I'm going to show you how to do the layer. So this is track 1, track 2, track 3, track 4, track 5, which are the layers. So you put on top of it, then the upper layer will overlap the lower layer, which means that you can see show first. After that, the second layer will come out, then the third layer will show again. Come to how to add in your audio. So you can see from your function tool here on the left, you can find a lot of music, and SFX is a special effect, sound effect. So you can import your audio as well. you can just drag in here, and you can see your audio is loading, and then you can see the music I will put at the bottom, so you can try to listen by pressing the space. Okay, clear and good. Then we will proceed to the next. Transition effect is video editing that to connect a clip or a scene to the next. A similar transition can make a good slideshow that it won't look jumpy and it will be looking more smooth and professional. So this is why we use transition from one clip to another clip. So let me show you some example by import another clip. For example, from panel 1 to panel 2, we want to do something different from panel 1 to panel 2 that connected in between two layers here. You can see. So you can see from the two layers, we want to change to another scene. Then we are using the transition on the left hand side, filters and transition. We try to get any of it. For example, I will get glitch review and I slot into between the slide. So let's try to see the difference after the dialog box, and it will be changed to mosquito or the dragonfly. Sorry, the dragonfly. So you can see from here, you can see again the transition to make it the scene or your editing into two different clips. Make it more smooth and different. Of transition over here, you can choose from. Okay, come to graphic and elements effect. You can see you click any of the clip and the drop box from the top will show layout, transform, filter, adjust colors and fade. Go to filter, you can do any filter that you want to make your clip look different. For example, I'm going to go for the scenery for the background and I go for the filter. I can change any of the filter to make your scenery look different. The filters is the one to filter and to change your original artwork that maybe you think that is more suitable to use in your video editing. You can use the filter function. So the filter function will change your graphic immediately. Press the graphic and then go the filter and press one time. With anything you want to change, just press one time. By clicking the background and then go for filter and choose any. Just click two times, then you can get it, the filter that you want. Now my background, to change it to become a color base in purple color. Go to the function tool, you will see a text. Function tool text, and then I will drag the text into any of the track, then you will see, for example, I will put hello, and you will see hello. Okay, if you want to move your scene, your hello, to any place, just highlight by clicking the text, and you can move around. And also you can change your phone by double click the hello, and you can change it to any fonts or size that you want. Size, you just drag it, then arrange it accordingly to make your comic looks different by adding and repeat the same thing all over again and again. And in all this, you'll be able to see the final artwork. Before we done all our workshop, you need to press the right upper corner. There is an export button. Press the export button by changing your video name, let's say my comic, and after that you go for 480 pixel. If you need to go for full HD, you need to go for a diamond, means that you need to go for a payment. Okay. Then it will be export and rendering to your video. So your video is done. Let's see the example of the video that we did.
The adventure of Max and Liz. Max and Liz heard about the special pink art, so they are going to find it. They have to cross the dragon land. Out of the blues, they hear slapping sounds above them. Ah! What are those flying creatures, Max? Run! Follow me, Liz! Are pounding with fear. Max points to the tree and pulls Liz, who is panting rapidly. Max and Liz are sucked up into the pink hut. Where are we? Max asked. Look, Max! A huge pink snake-like creature slithers towards them. Its eyes bulge out and its red tongue rolls out as if to.
Thank you for joining me for my tutorial section. If you're interested, please remember to register yourself under the below link. And I see you soon. Bye bye.